Okay, hello dear students. We are going to make this project together. This is a fish characteristic and we will have some information about the fish. So this is the project your teacher gave you. Firstly, you will cut the solid line around the circle. So we will have this circle after we cut this. This is a basic circle we are cutting, which is so easy for you. Okay. Now we have our circle and we have a dot lines here. We are folding from the lines like this. Actually, we have to fold it like this. So their face will be on the fish. Okay. So after that, there are informations, 3 sentences. These are the information about the fish. In our class, we said fish is a vertebrate animal. And vertebrate animals, five groups. We said mammals, fish, birds, reptiles, amphibians. Now, we are talking about fish as a vertebrate animals. Also, the extra information, fish is an exothermic animal. No, endothermic animal, yes. It's under the endothermic animal, and this fish is a vertebrate animal. How do we know it is a fish? We say fish have bodies covered with scales. This is the characteristic of the fish. And also we say fish have fins. We say fish use gills to breathe underwater because fish lives underwater. That's why they need the gills for breathing. Thanks for watching. See you.